welcome back to Learn with Samvidya. Today we are going to learn about months in years in 4 languages: English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1, English, January, Telugu, January, Hindi, January, Kannada, January. Number 2, English, February, Telugu, February, Hindi, February, Kannada, February. Number 3, English, March, Telugu, March, Hindi, March, Kannada, March. Number 4, English, April, Telugu, April, Hindi, April, Kannada, April. Number 4, English, May, Telugu, May, Hindi, May, Kannada, May. Number 5, English, June, Telugu, June, Hindi, June, Kannada, June. Number 6, English, July, Telugu, July, Hindi, July, Kannada, July. Number 7, English, August, Telugu, August, Hindi, August, Kannada, August. Number 8, English, September, Telugu, September, Hindi, September, Kannada, September. Number 9, English, October, Telugu, October, Hindi, October, Kannada, October. Number 10, English, November, Telugu, November, Hindi, November, Kannada, November. Number 12, English, December, Telugu, December, Hindi, December, Kannada, December. Gorgeous friends, now you know how to speak 12 months in 4 languages. Keep practicing daily and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon for more notifications. Bye bye.